Kwagala, you girl. Okubera, my one sweet girl. Oh. My one sweet girl, my one sweet girl. Not only you, girl. Like MJ, rock my world. Sabo better than I'm When Mkwana Gwange. You got me singing your day. Girl, I wanna be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, keeping safe, spreading love and positivity around the world. So today's class, we are going to be talking about phrases associated with time. Last lesson we talked about time and how we reckoned with time. So today's are phrases associated with time. So let's get into this class straight away. So the first phrase we're going to be talking about today is it is time now, or it's time now. How do we say it's time now in Igbo? Oge eruola. Let's say it again. Oge eruola. Let's say it one more time, guys. Oge eruola. Come on, one last time. Come on. Oge eruola. Remember from last lesson, oge means time in Igbo. So oge eruola means it's time now. That's how you say it's time now in Igbo. Let's go on to the next phrase. So as opposed to saying it is time now, the next phrase is it is not yet time. How do we say it is not yet time in Igbo? Oge erube. Let's say it one more time. Oge erube. Come on, one last time. Come on. Oge erube. You're doing so well. Come on, let's say it one more time. Oge erube. That is how you say it is not yet time. Time is not now. Time is not now, guys. Not now. Let's go on to the next phrase. Next phrase is time is going. How do we say time is going in Igbo? Oge naga. Come on, let's say it one more time. Oge naga. Come on, let's say it one more time, guys. Oge naga. Time is going. That is how we say time is going in Igbo. Let's go on to the next phrase. The next phrase is there is no time left. How do we say there is no time left in Igbo? Oforo wantinti oge. Come on, let's go again. Oforo wantinti oge. Come on, tell me. Oforo wantinti oge. Come on, guys, let's say it one more time, guys. Oforo wantinti oge, meaning there is no time left or there's little time left. So let's go on to the next phrase, guys. The next phrase is there is still time. How do we say there is still time in Igbo? Oge ka foro. Yeah? Oge ka foro. Say, come on, you can do this. Oge ka foro. Come on, let's say it one more time. Oge ka foro. There is still time. So that is how you say there is still time in Igbo. So let's go on to this next phrase. Can I get on to the next phrase? Okay, so another way to say that there is still time in Igbo is Oge kade. Come on. Oge kade. Let's say it one more time. Come on, baby. Oge kade. Come on, one last time. Oge kade. That is another way for you to say there is still time. The next phrase we are going to learn how to say in Igbo is what time did you come? What time did you come? How do we say that in Igbo? Kedu oge ijibia. Let's say it one more time. Kedu oge ijibia. Let's say it one more time. Come on. Kedu oge ijibia. One last time. Come on. Kedu oge ijibia. One last time. Kedu oge ijibia. That's how you say it. Pause this video if you honestly have to. Repeat the words. Go at your pace. And rewatch this video as many times as possible till you start using the words on your daily, vocabularies and start learning how to fit them into your daily words or phrases that you say every single day to your Igbo friends, your Igbo family members, and your Igbo partner. So let's go on to the next phrases. What time did you go to bed? What time did you go to bed? How do we say that in Igbo? By the way, if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my notes, making sure it's following what you're saying or what you're learning. So what time did you go to bed? Kedu oge ijiri laba? One last time, come on. Kedu oge ijiri laba? Let's say it one more time. Kedu oge ijiri laba? One last time. Kedu oge ijiri laba? What time did you go to bed? Let's go on to the next phrase. As opposed to saying, what time did you go to bed? We are going to be asking, what time did you wake up? What time did you wake up? Kedu oge iji teta? Let's say it one more time. Kedu oge iji teta? Come on, one more time. Kedu oge iji teta? One last time. Kedu oge iji teta? What time did you wake up? Let's go on to the next phrase. Our next phrase is, when did it happen? When did it happen? How do we say this in Igbo? Kedu oge o mere? Let's say it again. Kedu oge o mere? Let's say it one more time. Kedu oge o mere? One last time. Kedu oge o mere? There you go. There you go. Say it one more time with me. Kedu oge o mere? Quickly. Kedu oge o mere? Ooh! Quickly. You have to learn it. Kedu oge o mere. You have to learn how to say it in your normal tone. I speak very fast on a normal day, so I tend to speak even very fast, even faster. But yeah, let's go on to the next phrase. Our next phrase is, what time did you come back? Or what time did you come in? What time did you come in? How do we say this in Igbo? Kedu oge ijiri bata? Kedu oge ijiri bata? Come on, one more time. Kedu oge ijiri bata? One more time, come on with me, baby. Kedu oge ijiri bata? One last time. Kedu oge ijiri bata? Let's say it fast. Kedu oge ijiri bata? That was super fast for you. Pause it, learn this word, and learn how to say it as fast as I do. Kedu oge ijiri bata? Kedu oge ijiri bata? What time did you come in? Let's go on to our next phrase. What time did you see him or her? How do we say this in Igbo? Kedu oge ị hụrụ ha? One more time, say it with me. Kedu oge ị hụrụ ha? Say it one more time with me. Kedu oge ị hụrụ ha? One more time, say it slowly this time. Kedu oge ị hụrụ ha? Kedu oge ị hụrụ ha? What time did you see them, him, or her? Depending on the people you're associating the phrase with. Thank you so much. This is our last phrase for today. I honestly hope you guys learned so much from this lesson. Remember, go at your pace. Repeat these words. Pause them if you have to and say them to yourself. Try to attach them to your every single day words, because these are phrases that we ask people on our day-to-day. So try and incorporate saying them in Igbo. That is how you learn how to actually speak the language so much faster. I hope you guys honestly enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye.